win. And what better way to do that than to high flying that twist of our better than speed jumping. Nothing you can jump in high on your right. Jumping, flat in the water and it's pretty good. Alright, now we pull Tyler in from Northwest Indiana. This guy's about 30 minutes outside Chicago, but he only finds his way back in Monticello and doing summertime riding. Now Tyler's a left foot forward riding, and 315 touch the right side after we set up 350 today. If you did it cool 42 miles per hour through the front of the hook turn, we got moving in the race. I got a little flip in the background, music Tyler's flip flopper on the water, and ready for the sprint trick. They do a nice weight jump flat in the rain. Alright, now he showed off a little bit of air on that one, and at the same time he's going to attack that ramp. He's going to go flying off. He's using that whole out to get about the extra speed. He's putting that tower under that some of this square. That makes the weather, but not jumping something like this. That is. So hard, sliding up and over, and flat in the water. Alright, now that is the pushing part. This guy's only 10 extra back this way. Let's hope for good one on this. I check him out, moving slide go back this direction. So we got really late right here, right now. I know the water's still warm, tires still fresh, ready for black train. Let's see what he's got. Are you on? The left-hand side goes that pirate ship, because our profession. With a nice breather. Alright, now we're going to go to keep doing flexible monkey climb 33 feet high at that 10 meters. I think me with an earring. And launching into a flying back 33 feet. Do a little bit of noise for the boys out there. Good work, gentlemen. Alright, folks, now it's time for those big ball. Right to the snowboard seat. Go for yourself. As we ride by, see that fire and feel that heat. Because this guy is one bad man. I will tell you what, I haven't met many people with as much heart and as much bravery as this guy. He is truly feeling. He's feeling good, folks. Let's start the top there right away. Get a big round of applause for our whole family. Oh, he wants it a little bit louder, I think. How about one more? There you go, Kyle. All eyes on you.
Oh, he did it.
How far up did you get? Oh, do it again. That was just a warm-up. How far up did you go? Oh, you got to get 150 points. Rashawn, come back. You can do it. Well, how do you know it's 150 points? What's it supposed to, how are you supposed to know? How do you know? Is it power?